Hello students, now let us have a problem on your kinematic indeterminacy for your beam. Let us take it as a first, we'll take it as a 2D beam. We have to find out our kinematic indeterminacy. Now as you all know that kinematic indeterminacy, if you talk about an equation, what is the equation for your kinematic indeterminacy, which is equal to Aj minus B plus it is gamma. So as I have already given you what is your A, if you talk about your A value, how can you find out your A? And even in my previous class I have given you about tabular column to find out your A. What do you mean by an A? Now if you talk like in my previous class, even if you see, you can find it out about your A. A is nothing but the number of degree of freedoms available at each joint. So degree of freedoms available at each joint. If you see in my previous class, like if it is a rigid joint, then A will be equal to 3. If it is a truss joint, it will be equal to 2. Yes or no? For a 2D, so this is a rigid joint, so A will be equal to 3. Now similarly J is nothing but the number of joints. How many number of joints we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of joints we have are 5. Now similarly B is nothing but number of reactions. Now how many number of reactions are available here? If you see, the number of here reactions will be equal to 3. Here the number of reactions are 2. Here the number of reactions are 1. Here it is equal to 3. So the total number of reactions will be equal to 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 it is equal to 9. Now gamma is nothing but number of release. Whenever an hinge occurs, so we will be having this. So for a 2D structure it is equal to m minus 1. So 2 minus 1. How many number of members we have here? We have only 2 members. So 2 minus 1, which will be equal to 1. You just substitute here. So we will be getting it as 3 into 5 minus 9 plus we have 1. Yes or no? So the total value, if you see, 3 into 5 it is 15 minus 9 plus 1, which will be equal to kinematic indeterminacy. So will be equal to 7. So same case we will see with the degree of freedoms. How many like degree of freedoms are available, whether there are 7 or not. Why? Because kinematic indeterminacy will tell you that only that the member should have the degree, like kinematic indeterminacy is equal to degree of freedoms. So how many number of degrees of freedoms are available? So let me draw the diagram again and I will show you the same answer. So if this is the hinge, if this is the roller support, what I have said you, kinematic indeterminacy is nothing but it is the degree of freedom. Degree of freedom means like the member should be free to rotate or free to move in vertical, horizontal or rotation anywhere. Fine. So here if you see, will it rotate or will it go in X, Y, Z or in like rotation? No, it is not going to go. So degree of freedom here it is equal to 0. Similarly here also if you write, so degree of freedom here also can I write as equal to 0? Yes. But here if you see, what do you mean by degree of freedom? How many number of reactions, like equilibrium equation if you take, we have 3 equilibrium equations. Yes. Now how many reactions will be developed here if you see here? So number of reactions developed are equal to 2. But the total number of equilibrium equations will be equal to 3, which means that this member can rotate in one direction, which means that the degree of freedom here equal to 1. Similarly, even if you take here, how many number of reactions will be there here? Number of reactions will be 2. But the total equilibrium equations are 3. Then you can tell that it can move in this direction. Yes. Why? Because due to roller it can move freely. So freedom is there in this direction. Similarly, it can even rotate. So freedom is there even in theta value. So degree of freedom here it will be equal to 2. So degree of freedom here equal to 2. Now here it is 0, here it is 0. But we even have an hinge. Yes or no? So if you talk about an hinge, so I just wanted to draw it here. So here if you see, here we have an hinge. Now if you have an hinge in this direction, I think in this direction it can move freely. Yes, it can move in this direction. Similarly, it can even move in our vertical direction. So here if you see, we have got 2 reactions. One it can move in horizontal direction, and the other it can move in vertical direction. But it can even deflect it like this. Yes, so it can even deflect it like this. Whenever it can deflect it like this, so here we will be having a theta value as theta 1 you can take. Here we will be having theta value as theta 2. So even it can rotate, but rotation for this member theta value will be different. For this member theta value will be equal to different. Fine. So here if you take how many degrees of freedoms, here we have degree of freedom, here we have are 4. So total degree of freedoms if you take, here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 4. So kinematic indeterminacy is equal to, here we had 1, so 1 plus 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, it is 7. So the same answer we have got as 7. So this way you have to remember here kinematic indeterminacy, which is nothing but we call it as degree of freedom. Thank you.